Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to activate your Discord guild. All right. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorial. Now, first up, go ahead and open up your Discord app. And once done, you're going to want to go ahead and go to your owned server. All right. Again, make sure that you own the server. Just right click on it and go to server settings, or you click on the server itself. Now go ahead and go to the top left and we have the drop down. Now go ahead and click on server settings. Once done, you should be able to see guilds right here under this section. Okay. If you don't have an idea yet, this feature or the guild is currently an experiment and only available to a select number of servers. Now, the only way to activate it is that when you see this kind of pop-up on your Discord app or software and PC, right here with the tag exclusive invite, says here join the first guilds on Discord. Now what you will need to do is just go ahead and tap on or click on check it out. Okay. And once that's done, you can go ahead and follow the set of instructions right here in this page. And don't worry, I'll leave this link in the description. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.